Hello and welcome everyone. This is Less Than a Minute. Pronunciation is very important in English as well as spelling. Today we have two words. Those two words have one difference in the pronunciation and one difference in the spelling. Let's check them here. This word is lose and this word is loose. Double O, one O. Now what's the difference in the usage as well? The first word is a verb, the second word is an adjective. Let's use them in sentences. I put my wallet inside my bag because I don't want to lose it. Lose here means you have something and you can't find it anymore. Your wallet, your keys, or anything. Now how about loose? Loose normally is about clothes. I went to the mall and I bought a t-shirt and it was loose. Loose can't be found. Loose, opposite of tight. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day and stay safe.